Hello everyone, it's Anzu and welcome back to my channel. Today I cosplayed tohru from Fruits Basket, which is a very special anime for me because it was the very first anime that I have watched, and of course it's one of my favorites as well. So finally I got to cosplay tohru and I hope you'll enjoy this video. I've already done my base, so I will continue with my eyebrows. Since Tohru is such a innocent, cute character, I wanted to angle them as if they're sad eyebrows to give this innocent looking effect. For the base eyeshadow, I went for a very light brown eyeshadow and only applied it to the outer part of the eye. And added a little bit pink eyeshadow on top of that and blended them together. I also made sure that the eyeshadow got on the bottom part of the eye as well. And using a white eye pencil, I highlighted the inner part of my eyes. I also added a darker brown eyeshadow on the bottom outer part of the eye to give this droopy cute eye effect. And now I'm lining my waterline with a brown eye pencil. I'm doing this so the light color won't pop out from there. And for my eyeliner, I went for a normal look that's kind of facing upwards, but this time I'm not gonna make it super thick as usual. And mascara before any fake eyelashes because my lashes are light color and it will definitely peek through if I skip this step. And after I put on my top and bottom lashes, we can move on to the next step. This time I will start by contouring my nose to give it this button nose effect. So I'm just kind of going in circles on the tip of my nose and blending it together. I will also slightly contour my jawline because chubby cheeks. And using NYX's lip contour pencil, I'm gonna kind of overline my lips so they will appear a little bit more plump. And I got the pinkest blush you could ever find. Like, you know, this is a shoujo manga, the heroine needs to blush a lot, so I just went ham with the blush this time. And of course, a little bit highlighter on the tip of the nose, on the bridge of the nose, right above my lips and on my chin. For lips, I started with a lighter lip tint that is very watery, so it was very easy to even it out. And later I moved on to a darker lip tint. I started from the middle and blended it with my finger. And with this, our makeup is done. I really hope you enjoyed it. I think this is one of the easiest tutorials I have ever done, and I hope it will be fast and easy for you as well. Also, before I go, please let me know in the comments which character is your favorite from Fruits Basket. Personally, I really love Kyo. He was my first love in my first anime. So yeah, I guess this is all, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and turn on the post notifications, and I'll be seeing you next week. Bye bye!